All right, 8th graders, this is to help you with question 2 on CR 12. It says this drawing is an example of fill in the blank. So there's a couple of F's, and we're trying to figure out how the F is changing. Maybe this is the original F, this is the new F, and so we're saying, how's that changing? Well, letter A says quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is a four-sided figure. Oops, if I could spell figure. Quadrilateral is a four-sided figure. So it might be like a rectangle, might be a trapezoid, it might be a parallelogram. These are just some examples of four-sided figures, but they're closed in four-sided figures. I'd be able to walk around the outer edge and I have enclosed space, and there's a total of four sides. First of all, there's no enclosed space here, so quadrilateral doesn't have a shot. What they're really testing is how do you feel about reflections, translations, and rotations. All right, so let's take a look at reflection. You know, reflection is a flip or a mirror image. So in terms of a reflection, you'd be given the original F, and you'd be given some sort of a line of reflection. This could be our line of reflection. Then on the opposite side, it's like that F is looking into a mirror. I mean, mine's not perfect, mine's not beautiful, but you should be the same distance from this reflection line. And it should be a perfect mirror image. Okay, I don't know. Maybe if this was the reflection line, nope. If this was the reflection line, this F would be facing down that way. All right, let's look at translation. Translation is just a fancy word for a slide. You're just going to slide that figure. So if this was an F and I chose to slide that figure, I'd be going same distance, same direction. Maybe the F would land up here. But it's still going in the same direction. So it just slides it. Yeah, even if I had this F standing up, I don't care where I slid it, it would still be standing up. Okay. So at this point, we're like, okay, it's definitely a rotation. So let's take a look at a rotation. A rotation is a fancy word for a turn. So if I had an F, and I was maybe turning it clockwise, it would land something like this. That would be a turn. Your F happens to be going counterclockwise, but it's definitely a turn. Looks to me like a 90-degree counterclockwise rotation. It's definitely a rotation. I don't know what the one on your CR is, but hopefully if you have this image for yourself of what a reflection looks like, what a translation looks like, what a rotation looks like, you'll be able to see what's happening with your figure. I hope that helps.